So having said that, also we commemorate those people who we lost in the earthquakes, and as of today, I have learned that the number has reached out to nearly 40,000. The scale of devastation is so huge that it was almost impossible to cope with as a one nation, and that's why we made an international call for relief assistance. And from the first day of the earthquake, the Turkish American community members, our American friends, they were very responsive. They rushed to help us. We had volunteers, hundreds of volunteers in many collection centers, and they collected donations to be sent back to the earthquake regions that were affected badly by the earthquake.
Tabii kamyon oradan, 2-3 kamyon buradan açtılar. Gönüllülerimiz geldi, gelen yardım paketlerini emekleriyle üretmişler, biriktirmişler, çalışıyorlar, ticaret yapıyorlar yani. In our history, I should say. Widespread all over the places, 13.5 million people affected, many people homeless, don't have housing, around 40,000 people dead. This is just the Turkish part, and also in the Syrian part, maybe 4,000 or 5,000, maybe more people died.